I was doing this video on an SSR pit bike, 125cc semi-automatic, no gear shifting. I had this pit bike for about a couple months now. It's a pretty good pit bike. The reason why I was doing this video today because this pit bike, it won't start. See, it just sound like gears is moving in here, and I took it off. And I mean, I'm not a mechanic, so I really don't know what I'm doing, and it's really easy to crank back. And where the exhaust used to be right there, if you kick that back, you can like feel no air or smoke is coming out of there, so it's feel like no compression really. I just know it's really easy to kick back. And on this other side, sometimes see, like now, see, it gets stuck. So if you can help me while my SSR pit bike would start, that will mean a lot to me, and thank you.